The bird feeders in our backyards attract a lot of small birds, such as this great tit, and here we have a pair of jackdaws, and then surprisingly we've got this lovely jay who's just begun visiting us in the new year. The jay is known for its love of acorns and bad memory. This combination has led to the rapid spread of oaks after the last ice age, because they keep forgetting where they've buried their cache. Anyway, without acorns, this particular jay loves our peanuts and mixed seeds. You go first. I can't. I'm afraid. Yeah, that's how you do it. You just hop in and hop off. Simples. Okay, give it a try. No, I can't do it. Here, simple. Come on. Eat up. All right. Oh, God. Better eat up then. Oops. Here's Mr. Squirrel. Introduced to the British Isles from North America more than a century ago, they, like most immigrants in this country, are doing very well. In fact, they're doing so well, there's an estimated 2 million in numbers as compared to the red squirrel, who are native to the British Isles and are now struggling to survive. Red squirrels now are only found mostly up north in Scotland. A neighbor said to me, the grey squirrels that she's had in her garden are surprisingly ignoring the peanuts and going for normal bird seeds. Now that could be global warming, or they decided to go for a change of diet. Perhaps, like humans, once in a while we like to go for an Indian or a Chinese takeaway. Anyway, back to the squirrel. It's been here for 37 minutes before it decided that it's had enough. Now it's given a chance to the great tits to come back, and also the jackdaws, who are once again very comical. A lovely bird to watch.